Mahesh, back to my channel. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, so I just got up around 5 o'clock and I had a small spin of my new bike. In my earlier video, I had shared something like I went for this Yamaha servicing and all. But the thing is, like, it's not for the exact servicing. The thing is, like, there were some major issues. Not minor, it's major issues. Major issues of this Fascino. Like, there were some minor issues for the last 1.5 years. But I keep on going to the service centers and then they keep on postponing the thing like, "Arey chalega sir, chalega. Next time ho jayega, next time ho jayega." But the thing is, like, every time I'm giving the bike this Fascino, they're keeping it them for 1 or 2 days or 3 days. But the thing is that the problem is not solved. The problem is the rear wheel, the back tire is completely, it just started wobbling. If you go for 100 meters, 200 meters or 1 kilometer, we can't feel that much wobbling. But if you go for a longer distance, around 2-3 kilometers or 4 kilometers, it will start wobbling. The tire will be wobbling, and even you can see this brake. When we are putting brake and accelerator, it keep on jerking. Like, I mean, there is a problem with the accelerator wire or else the braking wire, the cable. Because the last time I had changed the accelerator cable and the new brake pads, the rear brake pads, and it's the problem is with almost 1.5 years. And every month, twice or thrice, I'll go to this service centers. There is a service center in Amirpet. Usually, I'll do it from there itself. It's been almost 1.5. I mean, I had taken this bike in the 2017, June 17, and it's 3 years now, completed 3 years. So I haven't been this issue for the last 3 years. Only thing is, like, only from the last 1.5 years, I'm facing the same issue, like the back wheel. The back wheel is, the rear wheel is wobbling. I don't know what exactly the problem is, but the thing is, like, it's wobbling, shaking a bit, like zigzag at some times. Not all the way, but sometimes. And I've been facing some issue, like while turning the bike, like when we taking a U-turn or else taking any left or right turns. It's been risky because in the rainy season you can't take a free turn because the tire is wobbling, they're shaking, and gradually it skids sometimes. Like, already I fell down almost 3 times. The same issue, and I already explained everything to these service guys in Amirpet. I was facing the same issue with the Amirpet service centers. I don't know what they are doing. Every time they are taking the bike for 2 or 3 days, but the problem is not solved. When I'm giving for a service center for one of the problem, they are telling that like iska shock absorber gaya and uska braking pads gaya, iska accelerator cable gaya, ye lagana hai, wo lagana hai. But I'm telling that, arey bhai, that's not the problem. My problem is, like, my back rear wheel is wobbling, and because of that I'm unable to get a sharp turns. The bike is skidding, and for these kids I already fall down almost 3 times. And if you want, you can keep the bike for 3 days, 4 days or 1 week, but I need the solution. I need the problem solution. But the thing is, like, these guys always take the bike and they'll keep for 2 or 3 days, when again I should call them and follow up them, like, what is happening with my bike and all. Then again they'll tell that, bhai abhi start nahi hua, start karna padega. Because the thing is, like, we have to check the complete engine, we have to open the complete engine, the rear wheel and everything, the setup and all. So it will take time. Then when you'll do, I know that it will take time, but it's almost, I given this some 3 days back and you guys have not started yet. And you guys are telling that a time lagega. Time le lo bhai, but the thing is, like, I need the solution for the problem. Not like keeping the bike with them for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days without any solution. They should understand, like, why we are giving the bikes for and why we are waiting for 2 or 3 days. We don't understand anything unless we should follow up everything. Why should we follow up for our things? We are giving the bike for them, for the servicing or the repair, minor repairs or something. They should do it, and they should call us. कि भैया आपका काम हो गया, so and so things are done. So and so thing, there was a problem with so and so thing, so we have fixed it. Now you can take your bike. That's it. But these Amirpet guys, they are useless. The service people, they are useless, and they are, I mean, I don't know. They have a lot of work to do, or else they are negligent upon their work. I don't know. But every time I give the bike, I will face the same problem. The next day or the other day, I will come and give the bike again. That's not the thing. Like once the service is done with all the repairs and all, I'm happy taking my bike and driving for another 3 or 4 months, because every time I give the servicing, the next day or the other day or the 2 or 3 days, again I'm coming back for the some of the other problem to these guys. But these guys never turned up with a solution. Every time कुछ ना कुछ ये लगा लो वो लगा लो. अरे भाई ये अमीरपेट के guy है, like one person, Mr. Gopi or someone is there. He told me that भैया rear wheel का problem है, it's better to change the tire. Then I changed the new tire, new MRF tire, rear tire. And again the problem is there. Again I went to the service station. I told that was I have changed the rear tire. The same problem is facing. I'm facing the same problem, the same the tire wobbling and all. So better change. Then he told that there might be a defective tire. It's better to change the tire again. So why should I change the tire again? You check the tire. I checked the tire with the MRF dealer, and he told that the tire is perfect. Then again he told that let me check, and he took the bike for 1 day, and he checked with normal general garage outside the service center. He told that the tire is fine, the tire is good. I mean there might be a problem with the what is it, this rim problem. Rim might be bent. Then if rim might be bent, just check it. If really rim was bent or something other problem is there, just check and get the solution. He told that okay fine, I'll check. Then later on he told everything is fine, you just take your bike, just drive for another 1 week, check for one week, and if the problem is not solved, again get the bike back, again we'll do something. Then okay chalo, then I took the bike, and again the next day I got the same problem. Then again I called him and told that there might be a problem with the tire only, because the rim is perfect and all stuff. Then again I went to the MRF dealer and again changed the tire, and again I got the new tire. And with the new tire I went to this Amirpet service center again, to the same person who told me to change the tire. He told that everything is fine, let me check again. I think I need to open the engine box. There might be some problem inside the wheeling socket or stupid stuff. I don't know the terms and all. He told that something has to be done. Okay, chalo, take the bike, and I told him to keep the bike for another 2 days. And after 2 days, again I started following up what is the status. He told that bike will take time. So what is the time? How much time they need? They need 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or week, or 10 days, or 1 month, or 2 months. Because from last 1.5 years, every time, every servicing, every 1 month or the 2 months, I'm coming and giving the bike with the same problem, same issue. Why can't they solve in one go, or at least second time or third time? Like why these guys coming with the same bike with the same issue? It's not a chota mota bike, na, it's Yamaha. And if you these Yamaha service guys, service center, the headquarters or head office, listen to this. If you can see this video, please tell your guys to get the problem solved of my thing, my the rear wheel wobbling. I don't know what's wrong with this Fascino, because from last 2.5 years, I'm happy with this bike. Only from the 1 year, the last 1 year, the current last 1 year, I'm facing the same thing. Same rear wheel wobbling. Please tell your guys to get it clear. Again, after 8 to 10 times I went to this Amirpet. I fed up with these Amirpet guys. Then again, I went for this Lakdi Kapoor. There is another branch of service center in Lakdi Kapoor. So I went over there. I explained everything, that this is what happened in Amirpet. So it's better you check and just tell me what's wrong with this. And he told that, Bhaiya, it will take time. The same problem, the same thing that the Amirpet guy said. He also told the same thing, like it will take time. I need the bike for 2 or 3 days. Okay, chalo. When you want me to get the bike? He told me get the bike on Saturday. When I went for the Saturday, he told that no, there are a lot of bikes, so it's better get it on Monday. Then okay, chalo, bhai, I went on Monday. He told that no, you are late, so it's better you get it tomorrow. Then again the same thing. Tomorrow. Again it took another 10-15 days. Then after that he took the bike, and he took the bike for another hardly 2 days, max of 2 days. Then he told that we have done some minor things, like the problem is the bike, everything is fine. We have cleared the issue. You can check, there is no wobbling and all stuff. Okay, chalo bhai, there is no wobbling and all. No? There is no wobbling. Oh, fine. There is no wobbling. Then if there is no wobbling, then no problem. Because this is the only issue with the concern I have with my bike is the bike is wobbling a lot. Then okay, the problem is, I thought the problem is solved. Then I can take my bike and I go for my office work, the official domestic work and all stuff. Then the next day the problem repeats. Again. I told him, because the problem is repeating. Again I'm facing the same issue, and he told that the problem is solved. No, I told that, the problem is repeating, the wobbling. Why this wobbling? Why the rear wheel is shaking? Then he told that okay, fine, we'll get it done, we'll check once again and all stuff. Then I told okay, it's better. There is another branch in Eragata. Chalo bhai, Eragata, it's very near to me. So let me try in this Eragata showroom, the service center. I gave to this service center, and there was a service engineer. He also checked this bike, and he told that nothing wrong with the bike. There might be a small wobbling session. So there might be a problem with this engine shaft bearing and all. So we need to clear that shaft bearing and all stuff. Okay, chalo bhai, do something, but I need the solution. For another, he took the same 2 or 3 days, and he done something, and he gave back my bike. And the next day I got the same problem, and I told that was getting the same problem. So please open the engine stuff and check. Whatever you want, you can do it, because I have changed everything. I have changed the shock absorber, and I have changed the brake pads, and I have changed these rear wheel tires, complete MRF tires, 3 times, 3 new tires, but I'm facing the same problem. And I have went to Raniganj for the this, to check the rim thing and all, if rim is bent in some point and all. So I checked everything, so no rim bent, nothing. The rim is perfect, the tire is perfect. Even the tire dealer, he checked with his mechanic that is really the tire is defective, because I have changed 3 times. So he checked everything, and he told that the tire is perfect. Then again I came back to this Aragata guy, and I told him, he told us things like, everything, the bike is perfect. And I'm feeling the wobbling, and you guys are just taking the bike for a spin for 100 meters and telling the same thing like the bike is perfect. Because I'm using as a daily commuting thing, and and I'm facing the same issue because daily I used to go for 30-40 kilometers on my bike on my personal work as well as my official work. They should understand why this is happening every time, why it is wobbling. Then again he changed the complete tire setup with rim and all stuff. Some old tire fix setup. So he changed everything and he told me to use it for 1 week. The other bike. Then chalo, I used for 1 week. Then again I'm feeling the same thing, wobbling, the new tire, the new rim and everything. I'm facing the same. So then we decided that there is not the problem with the tire or the rear wheel setup. There is a problem with the shaft bearing. Then okay, chalo, then we will change the shaft bearing. There might be a bearing problem and also. Then he told her, give me a bike for another 3 days, 2 or 3 days. Then I gave him up and he took the bike again. Same thing, he changed he had done the job of shaft bearing and everything. He gave the bike and the first 2 days it was quite good. In the March around 15th, and after that you all know the lockdown come. Then the bike is with me only, all the service centers everything was closed, so I couldn't go out due to lockdown, and the bike was with me for almost 3 months. After 3 months then I took my bike and I started riding. Then slowly I'm facing the same problem again and again. I thought the problem is solved because there is a new shaft bearings. They have downloaded or upgraded, installed the new shaft bearings, but still I'm facing the same. What is the issue? These 3 service centers, they tried their best. I hope they tried their best, but still I'm facing the same issue. I don't know. Is anyone Yamaha service center guy or any headquarters or something is seeing my video? Please check with your guys. I need the solution for this. It's my first bike and I don't want to sell it, and I don't want to put aside of this bike. I want to use it for my daily commuting. Please check this. I need the remedy of it. Please. I'm requesting.